open it and search one experiment to do. So let's open it. This is kit. Kit samagris. So I will search one amazing experiment to make. Cameraman, please go back so the audience can see. Let's make candy waterfall now. Should we make volcano vinegar blast? No. Infinite bubble volcano lava.
I make it. Candy waterfall.
Let's make candy waterfall. So should we make? So I will read and I will dictate. Experiment number 10, candy waterfall. Equipment from kit. Kit for equipments: mini waterfall tray, measuring cylinder, spatula, cup, baking soda, citric acid, colors, water, liquid soap or dishwashing soap. We have dishwashing soap here. Wow. So next we will need mini waterfall. I will take from this. This is mini waterfall, guys. Guys, I have one question. You have to comment. In which standard do you study? So next, we have to join this like this.
ठीक है, समझ गए.
We will need this tray that is you will get from a kit. So I will do front of view camera. So add half scoop. Each of the add one scoop of baking soda to a top of basin of each. Spread one scoop of baking soda to each. So in the book that is shown that there are 3 compartments. In each compartment we have to put one scoop of baking soda. Cameraman. So guys, this is baking soda. सॉरी गाइस, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया. मेसी मैट ली थी हमने, तभी भी नीचे गिर रहा है. My mom will scold after seeing this. One scoop in this. One scoop in this. 1.5 scoop in this compartment. So let's close and pour. Other instruction is add 10 drops of blue color in top of 10 drops of blue color, guys. 10 drops of blue color in blue color. 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10 drop of yellow. This is yellow. And 10 drops of red in bottom. Red. So red. Red is here. Red. Sorry guys, it's too much So next step is, this is our volcano, mini waterfall. Cameraman, please go back. Take a cup. Cup. So cup. So cup. So cup. I want to ask my brother, where is cup that you make experiment from yesterday? Sang.
I don't know where is the cups.
Make a smart TV teacher.
In a washing machine. In washing machine.
Oh no, she.
Pillow.
Okay.
नंतर ते आहेत ना पूर्ण.
So that is we will use beaker. Add 50 ml written here. 50 ml. 50. Add add 2 scoops of citric acid. Citric acid. So citric acid. Here is citric acid. Do you want to eat this? It's very tasty.
First eat. First eat you.
So guys, our solution is ready.
Eat.
We will pour. So guys, look.
Yes, our waterfall was ready. Wow, guys, this is so cold. This is so cold.
So our experiment is over, guys.
Thank you for 30. Guys, this is so cold.
Guys, this is so cold. Why?
See the sound of that.
So, bye guys. We will meet in our next video. So, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.